Hey guys, this is Miss Tatum. We're going to go ahead and get started with our Monday's lesson, and we are going to focus on building background knowledge for our Wednesday and Friday lessons. Let's go ahead and get started. So, just a few updates. This is our last full week of school. You are going to have next Monday off. So, the only lesson I will be releasing next week is going to be on Wednesday. Okay, so we'll just look out for that. This is how our week is going to go. I'm sorry, I'm at my mom's house and you might hear some dogs in the background. So, what are we doing this week? So, Monday, which is today, we're going to be building background knowledge. Wednesday, I'm going to release one part of the lesson, which is going to be your read for gist, journal entry, and comprehension. And then lesson part two, which is going to be a lesson about inferencing. You're going to have some text dependent questions and an exit ticket. Okay? So this week we are going to be reading a book called Bull Run. We're only going to be reading one part of it. This book is told in a series of stories. It's called a vignette. Okay, and a vignette is just a series of stories told by different characters. Okay, so that's all I have for you right now. Good luck. And please comment at me if you have any questions. Have a good day.